everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to transform into Asuka. So, let's get started! First, I'm covering my eyebrows with concealer. If your brows are dark or thick, you can also use a skin-friendly glue stick to flatten them before applying the concealer. This helps create a smoother base for redrawing Asuka's sharp brows later. Next, I'm placing eye tapes directly onto my eyelids. They open up the eyes and give a little lift. Now I'm applying black eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eyes and blending it into a triangle shape. This adds depth and helps shape the eye like Asuka's strong outer corners. It also creates a guide for the eyeliner. Let's move on to eyeliner. I'm keeping it really close to the lash line so it defines the eyes without taking up too much space. I'm also adding a bit of black shadow along the outer lower lash line to give the eyes a slightly more lifted look. Time to draw the eyebrows. I'm following Asuka's character design closely. Her brows are sharp and confident, so I'm using a reddish-brown eyeshadow to match her hair and keep the look cohesive. Now I'm applying mascara to my lashes. This helps blend them with the false lashes later. It also adds more depth to the eyes by darkening the natural lashes. Since Asuka has a sharp and focused gaze, I'm choosing lashes that are defined but not too thick. That way the lashes don't cover up the eyeshadow and the eye shape still stands out. Now it's time for some concealer. I try not to go too close to the eyes so it doesn't crease. You can also apply the concealer to your forehead and chin, so you can skip foundation altogether. It also keeps the look nice and natural. Now it's time for foundation. I'm using a small sponge for more precise blending, but a damp beauty blender works just as well. Try to keep the layer light and even, and build more coverage only where you need it. Now I'm setting everything in place with a bit of powder. This helps keep the makeup from creasing and makes it last all day. It also gives a nice smooth base for contour and highlight. Time to contour the nose. I'm shaping it a bit sharper and slimmer, especially at the tip. This helps mimic the pointed nose shape that anime characters often have. I really like the idea of Asuka having freckles, so I'm using a bobby pin and dark concealer to dot them on. This technique gives a soft and natural effect. After that, I tap them in lightly with my finger to blend them into the skin. For the lips, I'm using a soft berry toned lipstick. I blend the edges with my finger to make it look more natural. You can also add a touch of lip balm on top for a subtle glow. For the final touch, I'm putting in blue contacts from Uniqso to get Asuka's eye color. And that's the finished look!